said to be part of Siddharth Vihar situated next to Indirapuram and approximately 2 kilometers from Noida Sector 62 and 63. The Electronic City metro station is also within a 2-kilometer distance. This project is just located 1 kilometer from Indirapuram boundary and will be the first development with direct access from the Delhi-Meerut Expressway when approaching from Delhi. The project is around 12 kilometers from the well-known Akshardham temple, a distance that can be covered in 15 to 25 minutes depending on the traffic condition. Although Prestige City is technically within the Siddharth Vihar, its direct access from the Delhi-Meerut Expressway gives it a unique position, blending both Siddharth Vihar and areas outside it. It is anticipated that the development will be branded as the Prestige City Indirapuram, leveraging Indirapuram's more widely recognized name over Siddharth Vihar, which is lesser known outside of Ghaziabad. A notable update is that Prestige has constructed a dedicated road for this project visible in drone shot, which will enhance access to the township and potentially increase the location's value. One drawback is to need to travel an extra kilometer to take a U-turn when heading towards Delhi. Overall, the location appears promising, particularly for those working in Noida's commercial sector like Sector 62 to 68. The area is also suitable for individuals working in central Delhi thanks to its connectivity via NE3, and it could be an attractive upgrade for residents of Ghaziabad and East Delhi seeking properties nearby. For those living in other parts of Delhi, this project might present a good investment opportunity. However, they may not find the location suitable if they are planning to use it as a primary residence. For those outside of Delhi and NCR, it is noteworthy that the upcoming largest airport in India is 1.5 hours drive from the location, approximately 70 kilometers away. The distance from IGI airport is approximately 31 kilometers, which can be covered in roughly an hour. The nearest railway station is Anand Vihar railway station, about 10 kilometers from the site. This concludes the location overview for the project.